Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Graphical User Interface of AREC media stations. First of all, Graphical User Interface is available for all AREC media stations, and its location depends on the type of station you have and the type of configuration you selected. It can be on HDMI output, VGA output, or an inbuilt screen. Now, let's call the Graphical User Interface and see what we can do with it. You can activate it just by pressing anywhere on the screen. And it appears as this bar on the bottom of the screen. Using the first icon there, you're able to select an overlay from the list of overlays available on your media station right now. You can do this while the station is recording or streaming as well. You can do the same for layouts. You can change from all of your channels on the media station. And the same can be also done for backgrounds. So you can select any background you would like from the list available. You can also do all of that in one click, the combination of layout, overlay, and background. We call those themes. You can change them, again, by pressing on the fourth icon in here. In the GUI, you're also able to control your recording and streaming process. By pressing on this icon with a camera, you're able to start streaming. By pressing on this icon, you're able to start recording. You can do the two at the same time, or you can also just activate the recording and streaming with the same button using recording if you just set it up this way in the media station system administrator page. You can also control the process of pausing and stopping from here. Take a snapshot to create a still image or a bookmark depending on the mode you're in currently, as well as the playback option. You can see the video that you have recorded thus far, or you can export it onto a connected USB flash drive by ticking the boxes next to the video that you would like to export. Press the arrow down, and the videos will go into the USB flash drive. Using the gear icon, you're able to see the basic features and the basic information about the media station, such as the host name, device description, and IP address. The other tabs here allow you to change the sound settings, both as an input and as an output. You're also able to change the uploading speed and some network settings such as DHCP mode. One more thing is that you're able to control the PTZ movement of your connected source from this interface. For example, I can move the arrows to move the camera. I can also change presets, and I can control zoom manually right from the GUI. And one more thing is that GUI has the loop-through feature, so meaning that you can select any other sort of video channel that you have connected onto the media station and display it on output, independently of the output that you're recording and streaming. For example, I can be recording and streaming my content, and I can be showing one of the other sources, such as a camera, on another output. If you would like to know more about how loop-through works or any other AREC media stations feature, please visit our website at www.a-deno.com and I will be very happy to assist you. Have a good day.